The Keychron Q6 Pro is a premium full-size mechanical keyboard that combines robust build quality with advanced features, catering to both enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-performance typing experience. Design and build quality. Constructed with a solid aluminum chassis, the Q6 Pro exudes durability and a premium feel. Its full-size layout includes a number pad and dedicated navigation keys, making it ideal for users who require extensive key functions. Typing experience. The Q6 Pro features a gasket-mounted design, incorporating layers of sound-dampening foam to enhance acoustics and provide a satisfying, slightly springy typing feel. Customization and features. Equipped with hot-swappable sockets, the Q6 Pro allows users to easily swap out switches without soldering, accommodating various preferences. The keyboard supports VIA and QMK firmware, offering extensive customization options for key mappings, macros, and lighting effects. Connectivity and battery life. The Q6 Pro offers both wired and wireless connectivity options, including Bluetooth support, providing flexibility for different setups. Its impressive battery life ensures extended usage between charges. Overall, the Keychron Q6 Pro stands out as a top-tier full-size mechanical keyboard, offering a blend of durability, customization, and a superior typing experience. Its thoughtful design and advanced features make it a compelling choice for users seeking a high-quality keyboard. Thank you so much.